Good morning, everybody. Today's topic is SPD and F block elements of Chapter 3 Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. In this module, you will learn about the classification of elements into SPD and F block and the characteristic properties of elements of each block. In periodic table, in modern periodic table, you can see whole periodic table are classified into four parts, that is S, P, D and F blocks. Just left of the periodic table, that is S block elements, in right of the periodic table P block elements, in center that is D block elements, and below the D block elements, that is F block elements. The elements in a vertical column of periodic table constitutes a group or family and having similar chemical behavior, and these similarities due to the elements have the same number and same distribution of electron in their outermost orbitals. So we can classify the elements into four blocks: S, P, D and F block. So let's see first P block elements. There are two groups, group 1 and group 2. The group 1, that is alkali metals, and group 2, that is alkaline earth metal, which have NS1 and NS2 outermost electronic configuration, belongs to the S block elements. So S block elements, they are all reactive metals with low ionization enthalpies, because they loses 1 and 2 electrons, means group 1 elements loses 1 electron and group 2 elements loses 2 electron to form +2 ion. And because of high reactivity of these elements are never found in pure form in nature. Now let's see P block elements. Group 13 to 18 are P block elements. Along with P block elements, S block elements are called representative elements or main group elements. The outermost electronic configuration varies from NS2 NP1 to NS2 NP6 in each period. So at the end of each period is a noble gas, that is 18 group elements like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and on. All the orbitals in the valence shell of noble gas are completely filled by electrons, and it is very difficult to alter this stable arrangement by addition or removal of electrons. And group 17 elements are known as halogens, and group 16 elements are known as chalcogens. And these two group 17 and 16 group elements are highly negative electron gain enthalpies and readily add 1 or 2 electron respectively to attain the stable electronic noble gas configuration. And these two group elements are non-metallic character increase as we move from left to right across the period, and metallic character increase as we go down the group. Next we see the block D, that is in center of the periodic table, and these are characterized by the filling of inner d orbitals by electron and therefore referred to as a d block elements. And they mostly form colored ion, exhibit variable valencies, are variable oxidation state, paramagnetism, and oftenly used as catalyst. Its general outermost electronic configuration is N-1, D 1 to 10, Ns 0 to 2. However, zinc, cadmium, and mercury, which have the electronic configuration N-1 D10 Ns2, do not show most of the properties of transition elements. In a way, transition metal form a bridge between the chemically active metal of S block elements and less active metals of group 13 and 14, and thus take their familiar name is transition elements. So let's move towards F block elements. There are two rows in F block elements. First one is lanthanides and second one is actinides. The two rows of elements at the bottom of the periodic table, that is known as lanthanides and actinides. First, lanthanides from cesium to deuterium, atomic number 58 to 71. There are 14 elements in lanthanides. All are having similar chemical properties. And actinides, thorium, atomic number 90 to lawrencium, atomic number 3. There are also 14 elements are having same chemical properties, and its outer electronic configuration is Ns2 F1 to 14, N-1 D0 to 1 Ns2. The last electron added to each element is filled in f orbital, and these two series of elements are hence called inner transition elements. Actinides elements are radioactive. Many of the actinides elements have been made only in nanograms quantities, means very less quantity, by nuclear reaction, and their chemistry is not fully studied. The elements after uranium are called trans-uranium elements. That's all about the periodic table according to SPD and F block elements. Thank you.